Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the 4-point spanding over a concrete beam reinforced with a steel reinforcement. Let me use this option here, feature edges is better. A steel reinforcement you can see inside the concrete. Then to improve the shear behavior of the concrete beam, we use aluminum box through the beam length here, and then we fill the aluminum box with ultra high performance concrete. You can see here this is the tensile cracking which has happened during the model, and if I click on animate, see this cracking. This is the stiffness degradation. For instance, displacement, let me replace for now just the concrete. Here this is the final view of the concrete deformation and anything. Now let me replace the aluminium. Here these are the aluminium box as a solid part inside the concrete. You can see the stress for them. Then we can replace ultra high performance. This is the ultra high performance. You can see the tension damage, compression damage, the stiffness degradation or anything for this. And now let me replace others. Check the stress, then remove the concrete. And see here, this is the steel reinforcement inside this. So the another thing is the force displacement diagram. If I plot it here, see the force increases still here. This is just concrete beam, and then we have engagement concrete, aluminium and ultra high performance to reach the maximum value for the force, and then we have decrease in capacity till here it is 0, and it means the beam is failed, or the beam failed here. So if you want to model this reinforced concrete beam and aluminium box filled with ultra high performance to improve the shear behavior, you can use this tutorial. So if you want it, come to our website here, abaqusfem.com. You can see here, find the English tutorial. This is the English tutorial here. Click on title or blue sign, then you will have the title, the geometry parts assembly here, then the definition of the step interaction, anything, and then the result as figures. Uh, the simulation contains CAE-INP reference paper and a step-by-step English video, and the cost for that is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email to tell you about the tutorial content and anything that you need to know. Here also we have for instance, here we have a full package, sorry, Abaqus package. Here the Abaqus full package containing 400, more than 400 tutorials about all aspects of simulation and modeling in Abaqus. You can find anything from the beginner to advanced user in this package, and if you read, if you watch the video in this package and run the file, after that you will be a master in simulation and modeling, because you will learn all things, and you can see the main titles here. You will learn all things in finite element field here. So the cost for this full package is 230 euros. Each file contains CAE-INP paper and English video file, and to know more about the content of the package or the payment way, anything, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.